Which one of these logics would you choose to debate the opponents begging the question? The 1, 3, or 6 value logic? If you said 6, you'd be wrong. So what's the best choice? It's the 1. In the argument, each player may pick a valid friendly logic or a hero with a valid opposing logic or hero that will debate each other. These are called main points, and 2 main points facing off against each other is called the debate. Each player may start only 1 debate per round. Then, starting with the first player token, each player declares supporters. Only cards with some sort of value can support a debate. Let's look back at our example. Let's have the 6 debate the 4 and add on all others as supporters. Now we resolve it. We add up the total value on each side. The main point on the side with less total value gets disproved or removed from the game. If the main point is a hero, that player loses patience according to the difference. This is called the disproved conclusion. In our example, our cowardly opponents total up to 12 while we have 10. Our main point is a logic, so it gets removed from the game. If you think that's bad, it gets worse. We still have the value conclusion to resolve. Of the remaining logics, we identify the highest value cards in each debate on each side, then simultaneously destroy or discard from play anything on the opposing side with less value. Our highest is 3, so their 1, 2, and 2 all get destroyed. Their highest is 4, so our 1 and 3 get destroyed. The end state is very bad for us. So, if we originally pick incomplete sentence to be our main point, watch how this pans out. We still lose the debate, but our incomplete sentence is disproved. Then, in the value conclusion, their highest is still 4, destroying our 3, but our highest is 6, destroying all their logics. We lose the debate, but we are now way ahead on the board. Great! But what if they debate you in your face?